saying is that
Yeah.
I can go forward.
Yeah. Just while you're there, just give me a quick rundown on what's going on in here. Let me have a look.
Right. This is the way load now. It said it can lift 1 ton 13,
Right.
you see.
Right.
If I jig out now, you'll see the loosened it, see it?
Yeah.
See it going down? You know
Right.
where that is now? We're actually over the job.
Right.
Now I'm good for, say, 80 kilos.
Right.
But I can't do 80. A comfortable lift
Yeah.
with
Yeah.
that is
Yeah.
half a ton.
Yeah. Yeah.
See? So that's, I can actually keep jibbing out now.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah.
Now if I redirected it to the main block now,
Yeah.
it'll probably lift a ton
Right.
plus there, but because
Yeah.
it's on
Yeah.
that,
Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
all it'll lift.
Yeah. So how wide is this again for access? The
6 foot wide.
6 foot. And is that as far out as the outriggers go?
That's fully out, 4.2 metres that.
So it'll get in and set up at 4.2 metres
Yeah.
wide.
Yeah.
And what about the slewing?
Well, I'm just going to do that now, because I don't know myself, mate. So if I have to fix that up now. Right, and you go around on the slewing.
Okay.
Like that off there.
Yeah.
That slewing's going in, isn't it?
Yeah.
How much have we got to spare?
Behind loads.
That's what I mean.
Yeah. So that's only about, what is that, 3 metres?
Yeah, but you still have to have your legs out.
No, I mean for the cab behind you. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. But it's well within the outriggers, isn't it?
Yeah. You see that? You see that line there?
Yeah. Oh, that's your line,
that
is it?
line to halfway in,
Right.
half outrigger duty, and it'll still be in on that. So
Yeah.
you can still operate a crane with half in, half in.
Right.
It restricts it,
Yeah.
but it'll do it.
So what does it weigh altogether?
13 tonne.
This is 13 tonne, and what will it lift?
10 tonne.
It'll lift 10 tonne
So
up short.
on a short rig. A
Right.
good lift for this is 5 tonne there.
Right, okay.
Now what happens then is that this is like another crane that weighs more than it lifts.
Right,
So before it turns, oh, it's gone sort of thing,
Yeah.
it'll destroy itself.
right.
You'll bend something.
I see, yeah.
You won't tip this over it, them sort of
Really?
radiuses.
Oh, right,
What
right.
they call, you have a name for it. It's a low, you have 2 things, you have a tipping radius and you have a destructive radius.
Right,
So if you're inside this destructive radius, it's like, and you overlift, you wouldn't know it's stuff.
right, I see,
We
yeah.
don't work like that. All
No.
I want to do is
Yeah.
like, look at all that off there.
Joe, Gaz, what's that saw? Probably just roll a little bit, Morris. It's all a bit fragile and twisted, alright.
250 kilo that. Quarter of a ton to you.
Just jib down a little bit, Morris. Okay, that's good. Hold it there.
You can take that off right the way down to underneath the V in one go. I'm up to 3/4 of a ton there.
Yeah, it's not the weight I'm worried about, it's just the balance. I don't want it flipping over.
Yeah, this lift I've done. over there.